what did you guys build today?
What we have right here are 3 gaming PCs we built live over on twitch.tv/ToastyBros. The first one right here is a fun mini ITX build featuring the Ryzen 5 5600 and RX 6400. It's on a platform that's very upgradable, but it will play esports titles no problem at 1080p at medium-high settings. It gets 60 plus FPS. It's very compact and will be $675 at PCBros.tech. We also have another APU system, a 4600G, which you can buy today over at PCBros.tech, and it has some really nice upgrade path as well, being able to slap in a GPU with a very solid power supply, and you can get 1080p high settings gaming, no problem whatsoever. And these are $475 at PCBros.tech. Is that the right price?
$425, yeah, something like that.
It's under $500. I'll give you that. And this one right here is a PC we gave away, but we're selling them for a great price.
Yeah, this one's also under $1,000, and it has the Intel i5-1200F and the RX 7600. This is a combo that can easily get 200 plus FPS in pretty much every game you throw at it, which is really awesome for under $1,000 these days. But yeah, all these PCs at PCBros.tech, you can use code ToastyBros2 in checkout to save 2%, but we also have some really good Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales coming up.
So stay tuned for all these awesome PCs at PCBros.tech.